Wait, let me ask you something. Be honest with yourself. When you hear the sentence, this one habit can make you fluent in English, do you feel hope or do you feel tired?
Many students feel tired because they have tried so many times. But here's something important: you are not lazy and you are not weak.
The reason you can't speak fluently is because you learned English the hard way through books, rules, grammar, and fear.
Most students think about grammar first and then their mind goes blank. That stops you from speaking. Yes, you always think about grammar first. That is the problem. Most students do this mistake. They think before they speak, and their mind just stops.
That means this video is for you. Today, I will show you one habit. Only one. No grammar. No pressure. One habit that changes everything. First, think about your morning. When you wake up, what do you do first? Maybe you drink tea. Now listen carefully. Don't think, just copy. Say, I drink tea. Slowly. I drink tea. See? You just spoke English.
No grammar, no rules. English is daily life, not a school subject. Why do teachers make it scary? 'Cause they teach rules first. But babies don't learn like that. Babies listen, babies repeat. Babies don't care about mistakes. They just speak. Exactly. And this is the habit. Listen, repeat, every day. That's it. Simple but powerful. You might have tried to be perfect and feared mistakes, but perfection kills speaking. Practice builds speaking. Mistakes are proof you are trying.
Now, let's build the habit. Start very small. Very easy. Repeat after me. I watch TV. Now upgrade it. I watch TV at night. Perfect. No grammar talk, just feeling. Notice you didn't translate in your head. That is the habit working. Do this every day. 5 minutes. 10 sentences. Only that. Consistency beats talent.
Repeat after me. I like music. Upgrade it. I like music because it makes me happy. Beautiful. That is real English. This habit quietly builds confidence. If you forget words, describe. Don't stop. Forget apple. Say, it is red. I eat it. You don't need the exact word. Fluency is not perfect words. Fluency is moving forward.
Start small. Repeat every day. 5 minutes is enough. 10 sentences is enough. Your brain will start learning naturally. Hard English scares it. Simple English relaxes it. Smart repetition builds fluency. Talk about your life, your food, your room, your phone, your day. For example, I like my phone because I use it every day. Look around and describe things. I like my chair because it is comfortable. Every small sentence builds confidence. Even if you forget words or feel shy, don't stop. Speak like you are telling a friend, not a teacher.
Simple sentences, real life, every day. I like tea in the morning. I like watching TV in the evening because it helps me relax. Every day your English grows. Combine sentences. I like music and I like watching TV. I like to eat chocolate because it makes me happy.
Add feelings. Happy, relax, calm. This builds confidence and natural fluency. Combine ideas. I like to eat apples and I like listening to music. I like to watch TV because it is fun and I relax. 5 minutes every day builds the habit. That's all it takes. That is the one habit that makes you fluent in English without grammar, without fear. Talk about morning, afternoon, and evening activities. Say, I like to wake up early because I feel fresh and I drink water. I like to eat breakfast at home. I like to watch TV in the evening because it helps me relax. Keep adding small sentences from your daily life. Every line counts. Every repetition grows your brain. Your brain learns best when sentences are repeated in different feelings. Morning, evening, next day, repeat simple sentences. I like tea. I like breakfast. I look at my bait, my room, my die. This is how fluency builds. Combine sentences gradually. I like to play football. I like to draw. And I like to eat ice cream. Take a deep breath and repeat.
Every day, every line, your English grows stronger. Mistakes are allowed. Forgetting is normal. Each small sentence builds confidence and fluency. You will speak naturally. 5 minutes every day makes a huge difference. Simple sentences, real life, no fear.
Add small details. I like to eat apples because they are sweet. I like listening to music because it relaxes me. Add emotions. Happy, calm, relaxed. This is fluency. This is confidence. Combine sentences into mini conversations. What do you like to do in the morning? I like to drink tea because it makes me happy. What do you like to do after school? I like to read books because it is fun. Combine more. I like to draw and I like to write stories. I like watching TV because it is fun and I relax. Repeat every day. Now, the key is consistency. Small sentences every day. 5 minutes. Talking about your life, your room, your food, your phone, your day. This is the habit that changes everything. Fluency is not about perfect grammar or words. It is about small sentences, repetition, and daily practice. Start today. Start small. Speak out loud. Repeat. Upgrade slowly. Add feelings. Add details. Combine sentences. Do this every day. 5 minutes. 10 sentences. Slowly. Confidently. Your English brain will grow. Your confidence will grow. Your fluency will grow. Mistakes are welcome. Forgetting is normal. Speaking is winning. This is the one habit that makes you fluent in English. No grammar, no fear, just daily speaking. Start today. 5 minutes. Simple sentences. Repeat. Speak. Grow.